Hi. Oh shit. Oh. Hello. Welcome to my first video. This is an awkward introduction, but I have nowhere else to film this unless I film it in front of a Mexican flag, which, I don't know, probably be more appealing, maybe next time. Anyways, so, let me explain what I did to it first. I've had the car for about 7 months, I'd say, and it's been a great car. When I first got it, it was inoperable for 2 months. I had to fix the battery, alternator, and radiator. Didn't do the alternator yet, which is stupid, but I did the battery and I did the water pump. Underlying problem was there was leaking everywhere since it's a fucking 5.0 that's been sitting for 5 years. So yeah, I got the car for about $1,000. The radiator was not working. It was a 3-fin, it was a pretty upgraded one. Ended up scrapping it, putting the stock radiator in so I can get something better, probably an SVE radiator, and put it in there. The whole car, as you can see, I'll post pictures up again, was red. It was 50 shades of red, and that wasn't gonna work. Those 50 shades of red really made the car stand out, and when I finally got it operating on the 3rd month, I wasn't registered yet, and so immediately driving it, I was pulled over by a cop and given a fix-it ticket to fix that. And primer graded the whole car in panels. I didn't do the whole car at once. I also did a clutch job on it. It has a stage 2 clutch in it right now. That clutch job took about 3 weeks, and it wasn't for my own volition. It was because it was raining and I did not check the fucking weather, and it was an outside job. So, all right, so different clothes, probably the same hat, same garage area, but this is a big time jump from when I finished the back of the car, the Bondo patch. But yeah, today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing resonators on my exhaust. Right now, I'm running just straight pipe because I just put the exhaust pipe on when I got it. I got it for 50 bucks off OfferUp. It's a little bit rusty, it's still pretty good. The welds are pretty good. It was for a coupe, and as you guys can see, I have a hatchback. So the fitting was a little bit off and wonky. So today we're gonna be welding and cutting and kind of forming that exhaust to what we need. The resonators I got are pretty cheapy. They were bought on Amazon. They're 3.5 inch in diameter. And so they are the Vibrant Performance. I'll leave a link down in the description of what resonators I got. I have 2 of them. I'm gonna show you right now what they look. So this is a resonator. And as you can see, it is a hollow diameter. It has a whole bunch of cuts on the inside. As you can see there, it's pretty cool. I was very happy to get it. It came in like 4 days early, especially during this coronavirus thing. I know I'm a scumbag. I ordered shit during coronavirus, but I'm bored as fuck and I need something to do. And my friend is bored as fuck too, plus I'm paying him 50 bucks to do it, so yeah. All of it's gonna be like rusty on this side, clean chrome, and then another fucking rust on the other side. So it's gonna be pretty funny to see how that looks. I'm really excited about how it sounds. I really hate my exhaust sound right now. It sounds like a fucking dragon clapping its ass in the wind. I fucking hate it. Hopefully this makes it sound different. And I'll show you how the car sounds when I start it up too and rev it. It sounds like trash, and I really hope this makes a difference. And I really hope the camera can pick up that difference as well. Also, I'm not a mechanic. Don't listen to me. Whatever I do, you probably shouldn't do, but unless you want to do it, then do it. Why not? This is one of the reasons why I love that channel name, because it's like one of my favorite things is just, why the fuck not? Just do it. Do it. You want to put an MSD the wrong way in your car to make it still work somehow? Why not? And yeah, so I'm really excited to show you guys what we're going to be doing today, so let's go. There she is. Film the butt. As my camera's going. Bada bing. Bada boom. Whoop. Teleported. There is the man, the myth, the legend, the dumbass who's gonna weld my exhaust. Exactly what I needed already. First thing. Recording already? Yeah. Might as well. Yeah, morning.
just gonna say.
What are we using that on?
Huh? Your rear hanger.
Hmm.
The midsection I can reuse a hanger because it already has a spot on the car.
Mm-hmm.
I can just put a new one on the exhaust, but the rear doesn't have one, so we have to kind of make one. By any chance, do you happen to have like a wheel lock extraction tool?
Okay. Just in case you need to do another someone else's exhaust.
Thank you.
That's good. Remember.
I said that we're gonna have the incisions here. Incisions.
Oh my god, fucking EMT's talking about cars. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Sawzall, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut, like right here, just cut one pipe first. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the vibrant resonators we got, and I'm gonna test fit it on here. We're gonna unbolt this first. So, I need to also know if the size that I asked him to get is the right size for this piping, because now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it's 2 1/4, not 2 1/2. And I told him to get 2 1/2 inch resonators, so we need to figure out if we need to go back to O'Reilly's and get adapters so that it'll fit on here correctly, or if it's gonna fit fine. So I'm just gonna cut it first on this side, and then we'll figure it out from there. And let's hope I don't cut his drive shaft.
Yes.
Alright then. Well, that
What?
works.
Nice. Oh yeah.
That, still big. That fits right there.
Yeah, that's what I said. That little hump will stop it.
So we can do it like that. Watch out, I'm gonna start it. So you might be asking why I have this giant ass extension cord instead of that yellow one. The welders are 220 volts, so I gotta use a dryer outlet to use it. Cool for thick shit, but for exhaust, it's a little overkill. So I'm putting in a new one. Section that attaches to the H pipe, X pipe, whatever you want to call it, mid pipes basically. We have one side that's attached, it's cut. Now it's prepped. We prepped the resonator over there, and we're gonna mock it up onto the pipe that bolts to the mid pipes. We're gonna tack it on there. I'm gonna pull that off as soon as I know I have it in the right spot and it's tacked. Pull it off, weld it all the way so I know I have a good seal. And then we're gonna put it back on. We're gonna slide the exit pipes back onto there, tack that, unbolt it down, because I can't pull it out of the car, just unbolt it down so I can get a full weld around it. So let's get started on that, and then we'll do the same exact thing on the other side.
So, what we got here is one resonator in, wraps all the way up, goes down, throughout, and out the hole. And now he's working on this side to get this resonator side done. But look how nice that looks. If you don't mind me recording you.
Much of a difference. It's gonna bring it up, but God, I want it to be straight.
Crank lever is necessary. You want to start it? Here, I'll hold your camera. Here.
It's already recording.
Did you hook up the MSD box?
No.
No? Okay, you should start. Woo! Deep.
That is a lot quieter.
Give her a
Give her a couple revs.
I'll rev it.
Yeah, actually, you stand back here so you can hear it. Oh, face of excitement. That's a face of pure excitement, man. Holy shit! Yes!
You're welcome. This is probably the closest thing you can get to a Borla attack.
Yeah.
It sounds pretty similar to it too.
That sounds so good.
I like these because it's like, especially with V8s, it doesn't give it that raspy tone, but it gives it that like punch.
It's unfortunate because the Mustangs, they always have that pitchy tone, but it's I mean, it has that deep sound like a V8. Like, I don't know, dude. Every time I hear an LS now, I'm like, dude, like, you listen to it, you're like, fuck, they're really pitchy. You know what I mean? They're hella high.
That's
They're like 5 volts.
Yeah. You gotta do it full then.
Deep.
That is a lot quieter. Sounds really good.
Good sounding exhaust.